a few jaw stretches. I have a spreadsheet I can print out that has these. But this first one, so if you, I forget the name of it always, but this little deal here has a name that I don't know.
That's what pops.
This little lump of whatever cartilage here.
Oh, tragus. I have mine pierced. It's the only reason I know what they're called.
Tragus.
It's the only reason I know what they're called.
So if you put your finger right beside your tragus and you open your mouth, you feel how a cave opens up?
Uh-huh. That's what pops in.
Well, that is your TMJ, or your temporomandibular joint.
Big words.
Temporomandibular joint. So you have your mandible and your temple, and this hinge here, your jaw, is what we call it, is called your TMJ. Everyone has TMJ. It's just an abbreviation for the name of a joint. But you may have TMJ dysfunction in addition to having a TMJ like everyone has. Very common, especially for singers. So we want to put our fingers in those holes, and we're just going to slowly try to push our fingertips towards each other. Hopefully they don't meet. That would be a bad sign. But, and you can take the tip of your tongue and press the tongue against the roots of your upper teeth, and let your jaw relax downward as you're pushing your fingers in if you want to. I'll kind of like wiggle my fingers around a little bit. I keep going, but I'm going to talk a little bit. You want to feel like kind of some pressure, but not pain, for sure not pain. And you can experiment, because if you put too much pressure, you will be sore after. So you might want to just do a little bit at first. But like I just did like one of each of these first, and then made sure I wasn't sore from it. And then the next day I tried like 2 and then 3, till I built up to, I can do however much I want usually now. So try one more time. And then you can do the same thing with the one finger, but take the other finger, put it on your chin, and we're going to apply gentle pressure with both fingers as the tongue is in that same position. Pushing down and pushing in. And this is called the goldfish stretch. There are some more of these that involve using the inside of your mouth and gloves, but we might wait for that for next time, because I do want to get to songs today. And I want to do a few more warm-ups post jaw stretch and see if you notice a difference. So how does that feel to you? Fine. Oh, here, this is one other one. So stack your hands and then put your tongue in the same place and just apply like a decent amount of pressure downward, but again, no pain, just pressure or a stretch. Kind of looks like the Scream, so as open as you can get.
The more I perform, the more it loosens up. It's just because I didn't notice it as much in high school. It's just I can feel it, which is the problem, because I can hear it when I do it. I can hear it in this ear.
Well, hopefully if you can start doing those stretches regularly, maybe you'll see a difference.